Today I'm with a new video. The topic is like who all can do medical coding certification. So first and foremost thing which I have to let you know is the graduates, only the graduates can enroll for this course. Okay, graduate in the sense, if you are a life science graduate, it is an added advantage. Many of you might be knowing what is life science graduation, right? Which includes nursing, pharmacy, physiotherapy, biotechnology, bioinformatics, biomedical, and all medical related courses are considered to be life science. And if you people are doing this course after your graduation, it is an added advantage. Like if for example, in every lot of students are coming out, like passed out candidates numbers are more. Okay, so some people might be interested to work in their own field and some might be not interested to work in their own field. In that case, if you are willing to do a IT related job, it's not perfectly or exactly a IT related thing. Usually in India, the IT companies take this health insurance projects as an outsourcing project and they try to complete it and they resubmit the things to the respective hospitals. For that, we people work in India as a outsourcing agent. So they are called as medical coders there. But in all developed countries like UAE, US and all, those medical coders will be working for that particular hospital itself. It is not an outsourcing project, it is a direct project. Okay. Apart from that, so if you are a life science graduate, it is useful for you. And many of them were asking me, like, I have completed my civil engineering, I have completed my BTech computer science, like that. All engineering students and BCom, MCom, like that students are frequently asking me a question like whether I can do the course or not. Don't ever do it because it is not useful for you. For according to you, in your case, if you are a non-life science graduate, try to do some certification based on your degree, not into this. Okay, because it's like waste of money. You will be paying to the institution for the training program which cost around some 25 to 30,000, and again you will be paying for the exam which comes around some 55,000. So it is not at all beneficial for you, or it is not at all useful for you. So please don't do that. I will strongly recommend only the life science graduate people. I'll clearly mention again those who can do this course, that is the doctors. They are very much efficient to do this course. Doctors are all like MBBS, BDS, BHMS, all category in that. They can do nursing, pharmacy, physiotherapy, microbiology, biotechnology, biomedical, bioinformatics. These are the courses those who can do. Apart from this, the people who have done their graduation in biology, biochemistry, they can also attempt for this. It will be surely helpful for you to grow your career if you are not willing to move in your subject which you have already completed your graduation. So if you are choosing this medical coding as your profession, these people can select it and they can do their certification program in that, and then you have to move your career. And this is one question. So non-life science people, please don't go for this course. Many academies or many institutions will be approaching you and they'll be telling you a lot of sugary words and everything. Being a candidate, okay, being a person, first thing what you have to do, if someone is calling you and telling you like since you are jobless, you can enroll for this course, in your 100% you will get job, like that, something they might be telling you. Do your Google works, do your research works. Just see like who all can study this program. If you are a MCom or a BCom graduate, if you do this certification program, will I get a job? Like that, you do your research work and understand like where this profession stands. Then only if somebody is saying, if I am saying, don't listen to my words alone, just talk to 2 or 3 people who are who have very good knowledge in this coding, and they will surely help you out. Okay. So, if an institution is calling you a non-life science graduate to enroll for this course, please don't enroll. Please don't do that. It is waste of money in your case. Only life science graduates can prefer this, because they if after completing this certification program, even if you are certified, okay, if you are a life science graduate and you are certified or non-certified, if you approach a company, your graduation worth there, okay, in the sense they will consider your graduation to give you a job. If you are a non-life science graduate, company might think it will be difficult for you to understand the medical terms, and it will be a long process to teach you each and everything, and they won't prefer that. So companies usually don't recruit non-life science graduate in the case of coding. So even if you complete the course and waste all your money, it will be difficult for you to get a job. This I have told to many of the candidates who have inquired me about this, and this is a video for other people who are not aware about this. So if a academy is approaching you, just think, just Google and see like whether the course is worthable for you or not. Just check it and then you can choose your career. According to me, only life science graduates prefer this course. Non-life science graduates, don't ever think about medical coding. That is not useful for you. That's why. Okay. So hope so this is clear for you. Thank you so much. Have a great day.